Welcome to The Last Breakfast. Please enjoy the video.
In this video, I will explain how to play the Saxton Hale Gamemode. First, understand that this is a boss versus many experience in Team Fortress 2. One lucky player transforms into the formidable Saxton Hale, gaining immense health and powerful attacks. The remaining players form a team, aiming to take down the boss. Your primary goal is to either defeat Saxton Hale or survive for a set duration, typically around 2 minutes and 30 seconds, to secure victory. When you become Saxton Hale, you're a force to be reckoned with. You'll have a massive health pool, often exceeding 30,000 hit points, making you incredibly durable. Your primary weapon is a powerful melee attack, capable of one-shotting most classes. Utilize your super jump to cover large distances and ambush unsuspecting foes. As you take damage and deal it, your rage meter fills, enabling a devastating ground pound that can clear out groups of enemies. As a survivor, teamwork is paramount. Coordinate with your teammates to focus fire on Saxton Hale, chipping away at his massive health. Medics should prioritize healing, while heavies and soldiers can deal consistent damage. Keep your distance from Saxton Hale's powerful melee, as he can eliminate you in 1 or 2 hits. Use the map to your advantage, perhaps luring him into environmental traps or narrow corridors to concentrate your firepower. To truly excel, observe Saxton Hale's movement patterns and common ambush points. Effective communication is crucial. Constantly call out his location to your team. Engineers can place sentries in elevated or less obvious spots to maximize damage output. Demo men can set up devastating sticky traps around corners or choke points, dealing significant burst damage. Remember, patience and coordinated effort are key to overcoming the formidable Saxton Hale.
Thanks for watching. If this was helpful, leave a like and consider subscribing. See you next time.